emergency transmission from the SCP Foundation, do not turn off your device. This is not a drill. A strain of SCP-008, now henceforth known as SCP-008-2, has been ravaging VR chat servers. Please follow all instructions given. Terminate anyone who have the following symptoms: sudden headaches, violent coughing, coughing up blood, chest pains, and/or erratic behavior. If you see anyone infected with SCP-008-2, terminate them immediately, or otherwise evacuate the area and alert the SCP Foundation of your location. The SCP Foundation, in conjunction with the Global Occult Coalition, are finding out a way to end this threat once and for all. The VR Chat Department of Health and Department of Defense have authorized the civilian use of lethal force against those